she went high.
We. I.
Hey guys, it's Fabio here, and this is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back with another video. As you know, we've been apart for a long time, and during all this month and a half, a lot of things we have Morris that came out with new songs, we have a lot of other videos to react to, and today we're going to be react to Morris singing
Never enough.
Oh.
Never enough.
But wait, I want to say something. I want to thank so much Anthony and Jesse for these awesome tank tops.
Anthony Navales, thank you for all the shout outs. So he gave this to us during our meet and greet, or my meet and greet because he wasn't there. My meet and greet in the Ayala Center at Cebu City. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh my god, editing is gonna be perfect and easy now because I don't have to split screen. We're all in the same space. We're in the same space, guys. Look, we're touching each other. Never enough.
Okay.
Never enough.
I did not miss this.
I know we're late to the game, but here we go.
Just wish.
By the way, this went viral.
Oof.
This went viral. I heard the video. To hold my breath.
She's already so cute. Look at this face.
I'm trying to hold my breath.
Wish 1075.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream.
So much control.
Getting
Yeah, me too. That's why I'm not even.
Can't you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share
Watching her, I just wanna cry too. I mean, I'm with her emotion.
this darling
She's really.
without you?
I just wanna
She
listen.
really feels it. Look at her.
All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough.
She almost sings it similar to the original one. Yeah?
She's so precise in the enunciation too.
The world and it'll never be enough, never be enough.
It's a different voice.
For me, never, never,
Wow.
So much control.
It sounds fuller.
It's fuller. It's right? It's different voice.
for me, never enough,
Wow.
never enough,
Oh my gosh.
never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights.
Goodness.
I don't want to talk. Sorry, I don't want to talk. Whatever. Well, let's just watch her together.
Yeah. Come for us that we don't react.
We're not reacting. I just listen. I think she's using different techniques because her voice is different.
It sounds more like an opera voice.
It's an opera voice, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that.
She has no wisdom teeth. I saw that.
For me. This is a hard song, you know? Wow.
Oh gosh, she went high.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
And now she's like. Oh my god.
I hope.
It was enough for me. It was enough. that was enough.
I hope that we were entertaining because I didn't really say anything. I didn't really react.
We understand if you skip the video.
I
That's
understand,
okay.
because I didn't really react because I just wanted to watch it because I've never seen it before. It kept on popping up on my YouTube and it was so hard for me to skip because I really wanted to watch it right then and there, but I didn't. For all the people who said that we talked too much in the video, well, here's the
There
video.
we are.
We didn't talk.
There we are.
Good
There
job.
we are. Oh, finally. Done. Done.
I hope you're happy now and you comment down below that we didn't talk. If people comment that you guys didn't react, you guys didn't say anything, well, you can't
No.
please anybody.
Yeah. 50-50.
All we wanted to do was listen to Morissette, that's all.
That song is beautiful, first of all. I loved it since the movie came out, and she did it so amazingly.
But you're right though, that her techniques and voice.
But I think she can adapt very well depending on the song that she has to sing.
I think she changed it only for this voice because
Yeah.
in the beginning she almost sounded so similar to the original one in the movie with the operatic voice, gesture, or pronunciation, enunciation, whatever.
Yeah. She was great. So I loved it. I really loved it.
It was
And
amazing.
also, I want to say one little thing. Congratulations to the Wish 107 bus for the California
Oh yeah.
opening. And they invited us to
Oh
Hollywood.
yes.
Guys, we couldn't go because we were in Italy and Philippines, but
They
next
invited
time,
us. I know.
next time we're there.
Next time, please give us a longer heads up, and we'll make sure, if we can, to be there.
Yes.
And thank you again, Anthony, for this shirt,
And Jesse.
for coming to the meet and greet. Please comment down below what kind of videos you would like us to react to next.
Wow, rapper Nicki Minaj in the house.
Please let us know, comment down below what kind of videos you would like us to react to next. And we will sure... I don't... It's because we've been traveling so much and all the travel vlogs I've been uploading, I don't think people were commenting what kind of videos you would like us to react to next. But now that we're back together, please let us know.
Oh yeah, now we're left alone. What are we doing?
I know, what are we doing next?
I
So
don't know.
here we go.
I don't know.
Let us know.
We'll fold laundry in the meantime, so let us know. Comment down below and then we'll get back to you.
Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you all next time.
Peace.
Ciao. Never enough for me.
Enough.